Hey guys, Michael Sanchez, violin teacher here. I want to talk about scales today. So every violinist should be playing scales in the first part of their practice session. I would recommend for at least 5 minutes every time that you play. And let's say you're practicing for an hour, I recommend doing your scales for, let's say, like 10 minutes. So normally at least about a sixth of your practice session, or preferably a third of your practice session, you should be doing your scales and your drills. So in my Violin Check Book 1, which you can download right in the description section, we've learned Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, Mary Had a Little Lamb, and now we're going to be learning a scale, which I recommend you practice every single time that you play, even if as you start progressing through the Violin Check Book 1. So number 15 in the book is the D major scale, and if you've gone through my previous few lessons on how to read music, I showed you the array of notes that are played on the D string and the A string, which are basically a set of notes that I want you to put on flashcards and really memorize. And all those notes are actually what's going to be in number 15, Let's Go Up. So in this particular exercise / scale, we're playing each note 3 times that we learned in previous lessons, and then we're resting for one note and then going to the next note. So we're playing all those notes on both the D and the A string. So let's go through number 15. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. 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 Rest, bring elbow down. Make sure you're bending that wrist. Then 16. Rest. Elbow up. Make sure you're using that index. Great. So I recommend doing that every day, at least till you get through the whole Violin Check Book 1. Then we'll have more scales to do and other exercises.